Hey guys, for this video, I'll teach you how to add someone in Google Chat. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to talk to your friends. So as you can see, I'm in Google Chat, and if we go tap on New Chat, you're gonna be able to search for a name and add a friend. So all you have to do is search for their email address, and then you can go talk to them. Simple, right? But how do you accept other people's requests when they message you? As you can see, it says message requests. Any message requests will appear here and you can just accept them or ignore them. So once again, if they look for your name and then type a message to you, the request will appear here, and then you can either accept or decline. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.